Good morning. It is 10 a.m., which is a little bit later for us. We slept in because we did not go to bed until 2 a.m. But we are headed to this place called the Queen of Tarts, which is a pastry shop here, and we're gonna try to see what we can find for breakfast. And then we are headed on a little hike to the Poolbeg Lighthouse. A beautiful morning here in Dublin. It's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. I look a little bundled because I'm preparing for this hike to the lighthouse that might be a little bit colder since it'll be by the ocean. But we have a fun day planned, so I'm excited to see what we get into. Of course, I have made a full itinerary for the weekend, but today we only have to be somewhere between 2 and 4 p.m. so the rest of the day is ours. Okay.
We can already tell that Dublin is gonna be a little bit wild. On our flight from London here last night, there was already a few drunk people screaming and carrying on the whole flight. They happened to get on our bus that brought us to our hotel last night. And like I said, there are 666 pubs here, so drinking is part of the culture.
We just got our breakfast. We got it to go because there was kind of a long line waiting to sit down and we didn't really want to sit down. So we got 2 blueberry scones, 1 macaron, and what was the other thing we got? One
apple tart
for him. So now we are on our way to catch the bus to get to the lighthouse. Doesn't that thing look massive? Amazing! Ooh! Show the inside of it. Anything?
There's a really good blueberry muffin.
Complete change of plans. We tried to get on the bus to go to the lighthouse, but we needed coins only, and we only have 20 euros in cash. And so he told us to go find a place that we could get some change, but then we did some more research, and I think the closest bus will leave us about 3 miles from the lighthouse, so we would still have to walk 3 miles to the lighthouse and then another mile to get to the lighthouse. So we've decided that we're gonna do the second hike that we had in mind, which is more on the cliff sides. And so we're gonna try to go to the Connolly station to catch the Dart line about 40 minutes south. It has also gotten so much colder since we've been out here. I am freezing, so I have my gloves and my hat on now.
And I have my apple pastry for second breakfast.
on our way to Bray. It took us a little bit to figure out. There's like the tram, the bus, the bus tram, like there's so many different systems, but we need to take the DART. So we have our return ticket back here from Bray. So let's go. Decided to come here because it is so beautiful. We are now in the town of Bray and we are headed to the beach. There is supposed to be a trail in between Bray and the next town over, Greystones. So we're gonna try to find it. We're walking on the boardwalk right now, but in front of us are these massive cliffs that we can see. So we're hoping to head that way. It is so weird being at a beach and being so cold, but this coastline is amazing and I don't want to jinx it, but I think we might be able to put the drone up and get some good footage. We just saw a sign that said to get to the next town over, Greystones, it is 5 kilometers, which is 3 miles, so we will not be going all the way, but I assume it's a lot more of this coastline view. We'll keep walking for a little bit longer and then probably turn around and find something to eat in the town of Bray. I'm so glad that Taylor decided to put the drone up because we got some pretty cool shots. He was worried about the wind though, but I think it turned out great. This has been a great walk, a great decision by moi. So the best way to get here is you just need to find a train station for the DART. And then you need to take the green line south all the way to Bray. It was about 40 minutes on the DART and it cost us 12 euros total for the both of us round trip. So would highly recommend. And now we're gonna try to see the town and see if we can find something to eat. We are back at the base of the town of Bray and it is like 10 degrees warmer down here. It is so lovely and nice. Happy days.
Happy day.
Happy days is just a phrase that Londoners use that we are trying to adopt. We like it. Has just brought up a good point that we should try to get some shepherd's pie, so he is on the hunt. Did you find anything?
Looking on Yelp right now. Haven't found anything yet, but I will.
No no such luck. I don't think we're gonna be able to find shepherd's pie here, so we are headed back to the train station to go back to the city and see what we can find there. Well, I completely passed out on that train, and then I remembered that I had already previously booked a group tour for the ChristChurch Cathedral. So we hurried our way over here, and we're gonna try to get into the 3 o'clock tour. Well, there is no self-guided tour today, so there was no need to rush over here. Some fun facts is that this is the oldest building in continuous use in Dublin. Well, I really wish that we still had the guided tour because we don't really know what's going on. We have these pamphlets, but they're not super helpful. One of the other cool things about this place is that it holds one of the oldest copies of the Magna Carta. We think we found it, but if we were with a guided tour, we would have definitely found out some more facts about it. The cathedral was really cool, but I'm a little bummed because we already pre-ordered the guided tour and that didn't work out. So we ended up spending like, I think 12 euros each, but we didn't really get to see anything other than just the cathedral and the crypt. We were supposed to be able to go to the bell tower and climb it and ring the bells, but it is what it is, but it's a really beautiful church. This whole time I've been saying that we're looking for something to eat and we haven't eaten at all since this morning.
It's 4:30 in the afternoon.
So we are headed to ramen. It's so cold outside, so hopefully the soup will be super good and keep us warm.
We just finished up dinner at the ramen place. It was delicious. Sorry we couldn't film very much. We were smashed in between 2 other couples sharing a table, but the food was really good. And now we were headed...
We're just gonna explore.
We're just gonna explore the city. We're gonna make our way to the Hard Rock. I collect Hard Rock pins that I'll show you here in a little bit. But there's a few other attractions we want to see on the way. Video for today here, and we will see you back in the morning.